In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube PC. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in youtube.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of YouTube. So if you want to enable the dark mode for YouTube, it is actually very simple. For that, click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option appearance that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find three options. If your device is already in the dark theme, you can simply click on this option use device theme. After that it will be darkened. Likewise, what you can do is click on this option dark theme. Now you can see over here the dark mode will be enabled on YouTube. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you turn on dark mode on YouTube PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.